not bad. We'll figure out which side that goes up. Mainly because we have a very limited time. Owner's manual. It's actually pretty well color coded. Or color pictures, I mean. We'll see how much we need to use that. We can just toss that right off to the side. Alright, now we've got another big zip tie, which we'll just snap off. This is the biggest difference between this and regular pit bike. 70, 119. It's a 19-inch front wheel. 19.
Nice.
I probably do want to grab my cutters. You know what? I have pliers. Always use the proper tools for the job. The shock isn't mounted. I'll try to not scratch it during the assembly because there's plenty of riding if you scratch it. Right? I'll leave the paper on there for now. Kind of check it for damage and stuff. But it's the shine in the exhaust. Just a little kickstart. The welds look actually decent. We got some damage here, but that's not damage, it's just paint rubbed off. I don't give a shit about that. Should I peel the first sticker protector? I'm gonna actually leave the stickers on here, which I don't like to leave stickers on. And if some people will be like, oh, well, how is anybody gonna know what it is? With this, I'm gonna advertise it as a small piece of shit. Those are probably gonna come off actually. I already don't like them.
What?
The stickers. Never operate over speeds too fast for your skill or road conditions. That's actually good advice. Under 16. Operate in this vehicle if you are under the age of 16. Increases your chance of severe injury or death. Never permit your children under age of 16 to operate this vehicle. I'm going to peel that one off. 2. Even though I am over the age of 16, depending on... I mean, if yes, Serena, my maturity is under 16 though, so... You must read the quick guide before you start. I browsed it. So, that can go. The bars seem okay. Nice little brake reservoir there. The grips don't seem... This is just a sandwich bag over here. This is a Ziploc that they put on here. Actually, then, the grips don't feel too bad. Look at that. Look at that. Grips don't feel too bad. The carb is going to go almost right away. I have a new carb for it, but we're going to see how everything does as it comes, and then we'll start replacing things. And we got here front fender, so always grab the proper tools like cutters and remove things gently. Shift lever springs. The shift lever springs. I didn't expect that actually. I was just getting ready to say we're gonna have to replace the shift lever with one that springs back. That thing is super thin though, so got peg spring back, shift lever springs back. A lot of stuff like this. Ah! Punched the fender. Haha. All right. Look at that. It's almost ready. This is not attached for some reason. But we got decent fucking signals, man. Actually, well, I still don't know what this blue ooze is. What's what? This?
Yeah.
The rear shock, which it says non-adjustable. It is adjustable to look. It says non-adjustable shock. This unit contains high-pressure nitrogen gas. Mishandling can cause explosion. Read owner's manual for destructions. Do not incinerate, puncture, or open. So you gotta handle that with care. Here's the hardware for up there. Alright, so we're gonna have one of these say front or back. Oh, I'm bleeding. What the fuck? I'm leaking. Oh, I sprung the leak already.
What'd you do?
I have no idea.
Did you think you had anything trapped?
What was that?
Whoa, what is that?
What is what?
That is not what I thought it was.
What is what?
The bike, that's not the kind of bike I thought it was.
What did you think it was?
The, pedal one. The, electric bike.
An e-bike?
Yeah, one of those ones.
No.
Yeah, the e-bike that we saw.
What does that nut go to? Oh, that came from the cage. Spare parts means you made it better. Alright, so these are going to go on, but are they going to go here or here? No. So those will go there. This goes.
This?
Why would you need a tow hook?
It's on the tow hook.
Don't. Okay. Don't drag anything you're going to break. Don't use it to suspend your brother from anything.
Why would I use those?
Those are the parameters. I have to verify this shit with you because it's you.
Okay.
This thing shows pro tapers on here. But like, I mean, put it on there like that. Like that. But it's gonna cover one of those. Maybe it is adjustable, like, for your preference.
Yeah, it would have to go like this.
Yeah, like those. But I have risers.
So I think if you put it down here,
What? I'm
See?
fucking stupid.
it wouldn't even sit right.
I'm stupid. This goes like this. So,
Oh yeah,
so that would go like that. Those would go like that.
I was wondering because that did not look right.
Alright, let's start with what, you know, we know. I mean, again, this is to show that any fucking moron can do this.
But yeah, this lines up on the top one, but down here, see how I don't? It'd be like that.
Yeah.
So that's why I think it goes on the top.
It could be. Alright, we're just gonna kind of put everything back together loose anyway. These are the sizes that I have. I think we're gonna be a winner on this one. Close enough. Just kind of snug it, you know? In case anything has to be adjusted. Yeah, it isn't. Well, that sucks because in order to really tighten it, you need the fucking the bars on there. But in order to put the bars on, you can't get to the bolts. Okay. And we'll just have to hopefully we'll be able to tap it. Keep it loose enough to tap. But enough to make sure that it's straight. Nope. this way? Yeah, that'll do it.
Yeah, there you go.
So this way.
I just had that one.
Oh, it was backwards then. Yeah. Willie, what are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, you're such a psycho. Alright, now. Yeah, if we need to, we'll take this thing off. Lily, you're a psycho. You are just an absolute... You got slobber on your head. Alright. Yeah, anyway, wiring. Nope, nothing that I can hook up right now, so I'm going to tuck that behind there, and then move the wires out of the way. Put the bolt in. Put the bolt in. I can't do it with this angle here. Finger tighten that. He's good enough for now. These turns, they're not sequential like my other ones, but that's pretty cool if they're tucked in like that. And then this, and underneath, just kind of spin that on. That's not tight at all. This one's tight though. Right from the factory, that one's tight. They must have had to leave this one loose to get to fit in the crate. Alright. Peel off the plastic here on the tail light, which I believe is LED. Yeah, that's LED. That springs.
Yeah, but I can't.
Oh wait, it was on that side that you added?
Yeah.
I don't know if that one's supposed to spring back. A lot of them don't spring back.
It moves, but the spring doesn't seem.
Yeah, well, a lot of them don't spring back, but this one looks like it's going to need to. So, let's figure this out. I don't know. And that goes through. So that would go there.
Yeah, that's what I had it.
And that goes there. And then... Okay. So that goes there again. And that goes there again. And then... There we go. Ah! There we go. Store it on the ground first and then it goes right in. There we go. Look at that. That's actually not a bad little design. Okay. Okay. Springs now. Okay. This is kind of mocked up on there. We've got handlebars mocked up on there. This feels like probably these are to go through here, huh?
That's even still on.
Yeah, it should be. Yeah, it's blinking. The screen times out as a screensaver. Hey, I found that washer I was missing. Now we get to take this all the way back apart.
It's not a bad bike.
Well, and for...
How fast does it go?
I'm gonna do like 50, 55. You know, it's not definitely not a road bike, but that's what you're looking for with these. You know, if you want to go on the road,
Not bad.
if you want to go on the interstates and stuff, even if that went faster, it beats the hell out of you with the wind. So the wind slams you around so much that you don't even want. deal with that. Let's get this headlight on. Do we really need this? Because I don't know where the hell it's gonna go. You know? We'll figure that out later. That probably goes. Shit if I know, man. But I think that'll show where everything's at. And we got braking oil yesterday. So pull this through. Let's see what we still don't have. Like as we figure it all out, you know, things will start coming together. Where it's like, oh, well, that goes there. Obviously, why didn't I think of that? What do we not have done yet? We have a headlight, which is LED. The headlight's LED. Yeah. And then we got a fender, which I'm guessing is going to go. It is going to go into those notches, so that solves those notches. And then we've got. Oh, I bet some of this. See, we got ignition that we got to figure out. That's probably what those other 2 bolts are for. My ignition. This is going to clip into there, I would imagine. It's the only one that looks like it. Can you get it wrong? I don't think you can get it wrong. I'm sure you can get it wrong. Yeah, you can't get it wrong. But it has to go here. You know, it won't fit anywhere else. So, pull this little bit of plastic shit off of here. I don't know what the hell that is, but whatever. Yeah, I think we're gonna tighten down that 8mm. Alright. So that'll have to be tightened up too. It's gonna be kind of hard to mock up without a tire on it where we want it. I don't have any gas either. I had to put it in the 4-wheeler. That's good enough for now. Let me turn this thing on. Okay. Where does all this shit go though? You know, like these are connected.
Right on the 4-wheeler yet?
Yes, yesterday he was on the 4-wheeler. These are gonna be 8s.
Yeah, I wondered.
So we're gonna put that on right now. So there's that. And this is ready to go in. But what else is, what are all these fucking wires for? Start figuring that out, I guess. One of them's gonna be the ignition, which it comes with like the same keys as my 4-wheeler. I'll have to feed this through. One of those is gonna go to this. Where does it go, you know? I feed that to it, I guess. I'm gonna.
This actually.
That's gonna go there.
This might run left.
Is Luna on a leash?
Yeah.
Okay.
That goes to there, huh? Well, why the hell is it on plug? So this one's gonna take up one of them. This one right here.
So now you have 3 of them.
And then we're gonna have. There's probably some down here.
Alright, I figured it out.
I was just thinking we're gonna have a starter button.
I got them all connected except for the 2 that connect when you put that last piece on. So all of these.
Yeah, I was just thinking we have a starter button. They're all connected.
Yeah, except for these 2.
Which is
Yeah.
headlight and ignition, which the ignition, where did my damn Simple enough, huh? Now we got an ignition. Now we know where to run the wire through and then into there. Alright, so now this can all get tucked in here.
Yep.
Mostly. Might even zip tied at some point to kind of. But right now this is mostly a mock-up, quick assembly. I don't know where the hell I is. Now there's that too.
Get it in there.
Huh?
Get it in there. You had to go.
What we do need to be kind of careful of, which we're probably gonna have to pull this anyway because.
Yeah. Let's just fucking pull this thing off.
Alright, now we're gonna be able to pull this out. The axle, that bolt. That's a bolt we can't just throw out. There we go. Oh, I thought that spacer went down underneath. Okay, so what's it gonna take to put the wheel on? Is it already got bearings? Why do we have it's bearings and they're greased, so that ain't it. We've got brake caliper on that side, so this goes on there. We've got magnets here, so it's a magnet speedometer. But what's holding it? Just back down. That's. We do gotta do something about that brake caliper first. Where's my fucking pliers? There. Okay, caliper's out of the way. That goes in.
You know what? If I lift this up, you can stick that fucking tire right under this engine. We'll have it propped up to where we can just fucking.
What do you use? A tire. Good enough. Good enough to kind
There
of
you
keep
go.
it.
Yeah.
May not be hands free, but.
One side, yeah. Doesn't kill me at all.
Alright,
It's a good idea.
are these identical? No, short one was on this side. Long one was on that side. That goes in. Like that. You would imagine? Slide it through there, I suppose. And then I get this side. And then get it lined up. And look at that. It's professional. I lost the bolt. I lost the nut for the other side.
Oh, it's right there.
The hell's it doing all the way over there?
I didn't lose it.
Oh, you put it there. I thought, huh, how did it jump that far? I mean, look at that. Look, this thing's coming together and looking like something.
No.
It is coming together and looking like something. Now I'm gonna put
On the other side. Tight.
caliper real quick. It's got a spacer in the caliper or in the pads. So maybe.
You need a wrench under your knee. Wires.
It's got a spacer in it, right there. Maybe we can slide that on. Yeah, that's good for now. We do have a caliper just fucking hanging here.
Very nice.
I'll deal with the caliper later. What we're gonna do though.
Actually, I like the stickers on there because it adds that blue that matches in there. But definitely looks nicer.
Huh?
Looks wise, it definitely looks nicer with the gray and blue. I think so.
I should have gotten the lime.
orange. I'm not an orange guy. No.
Yeah,
But you probably got fucking.
I wanted the green one for mine, but I
Probably got
decided-
orange because fucking Serena likes orange.
So this is gonna go like this, right? I'm guessing the adjusters will be at the top. No idea if that's on camera, but it's basic stuff. Pull the bolts.
Yeah, put speed bumps all around this fucking road now.
So I have something to jump. Or I'll lift this. That's not working out very well. Okay, I'm gonna lift this. Put this in here.
What?
This goes under there. Upside down. I think.
Yep.
Good enough. Oh, you should put it in the other way. No, it's not gonna clear, huh? We gotta switch that around. Whoop. Down we go. Okay. I'm gonna pull this. And now, lift up. Close enough. There, let it down. It'll kind of be there. I'll have to adjust it here in a second. Once I find my parts here. All right. Which way is going to be the best way to go into this one? This way? That's good enough. Yeah, this thing is tall. Not super tall, of course, but for a 125, this thing is tall. All right, lift up. And up. Down. Right. Now I gotta wiggle it. It's kind of there. There, that one's in. Now we wiggle this one. There. Installed. Probably gonna take all these bolts off at some point and put Loctite on them, which I don't have right now. But right now we're just kind of mopping it up. Kind of want, yeah, that's what's that. There you go. Yeah, some nuts on one side, some nuts on the other. But by all accounts, this thing is what it's gonna look like. You know, this is the height. This is the. So we technically don't need. Oh, this thing is so much lighter. We don't need this anymore. Look at this thing. Wonder how I fit. We got no fluid in there. Oh! Yeah, I could I can flat foot both sides. It's got a dirt bikey feel.
This is a 125.
Huh?
This is a 125.
Yeah. This is the 125. No.
Very nice.
Yeah, that is. That's not. Nothing's tight. What is this one?
Why is that all fucking bent like
What?
that? Where it's like.
Oh, yeah, it's mud guard or some shit, but I don't.
Yeah, but it's fucking hitting the tire.
Yeah. Where the hell? Yeah, I kind of bent it out of the way. I don't know how it's supposed to do. We have an extra clip over here. What was this one to?
Still hits the tire.
What do we got? What do we got here? We got. We've got everything. Want to make sure that's all sorted out before we put the headlight on. The headlight and tighten everything down, and that's that. So what's going on with this? Oh, yeah, okay. That probably goes like that. Or even, no. You know, I don't fucking know. I think it needs to be cut off and out of my fucking way is what it needs.
I think you should cut it like right.
And that's a sealed lead acid.
Or.
But where does
Is that just put it upside down?
I don't know. I can put it on there.
Yeah, it is.
Well, it's got.
Because if you put it on, it would go like this. It would do the opposite.
Right, but it's.
Or yeah, it would go flipping up.
We don't know what the bucket's for, but I think it goes somehow like that or something. But, well, we can't turn it upside down because it's a one bolt at the top and two bolts at the bottom. So if we flip it upside down, then it won't bolt up. I think it's kind of supposed to just be like that. But you would think it would just kind of protect from swinging everything into your engine area, you know? So maybe we'll tie it up somehow. Something happened to the,
Still got a zip tie.
something happened to the shock, almost like somebody threw it. And then this is kind of, I don't know. Cause license plate's gonna go there. This stupid thing's gonna get cut off right here. I mean, that's just all there is to that.
I don't know where that.
But where the hell does this connector go? Because we got lights. This comes to the ignition. Okay, so we got ignition. And we got this. What the hell is this?
Yeah, that's what it is.
That's just probably how it is. So we're just gonna put those behind there for now, I guess. Everything's kind of gonna tighten up to itself.
Ooh, it's electric start and kick start.
Yeah, got an electric end kick.
Very nice.
Yeah, a lot of pit bikes are. So I'll do a video on who this bike is for, kind of thing. You know, like who would buy this bike, and go over all that shit. What is this? That's got to be my caliper. Hopefully we don't lose.
How much was it?
One of those. Well, that's kind of hard to know for sure. I haven't really paid for it yet. But I think ship to the door before tax, title, license, and all that, you know. But if you were to just buy it because it only has a trail rig, I fucking need that stupid thing on there. After shipping, it'd be like $1,100. I'll have to look at the paperwork because again, I haven't really paid for it. So, but that's gonna be another whole nother thing. Fuck. Your hand in here and get this fucking. Never mind. Okay. Washer fell in there. gonna get it because it's just sliding around on the ice.
You gotta go get gas.
Yeah, I'll have to get gas. I'll have to change the oil before starting it because it's got shipping oil in it. And I'm not running it on that oil. I've got some braking oil right there. That's got double the zinc. Because with a brand new engine, a couple things. Is one,
Good day to give her a test run.
oh shit. What else did I wait for? So like when we do get it going, and test ride it and everything, it can't. It's on braking, so it can't go full throttle. It can't go full speed. You know.
Right.
And break it in slowly, gently, which is a thing that I'm very good at, being gentle on things, right?
Yeah, that's funny.
Still don't know where that other thing went, but not really gonna worry too much about it. I'm gonna kind of gently. There. Put that in there. Torque the spec right there. Look at that. And of course, anybody that doesn't have impacts and shit like that can still do this, you know. It is upsetting that it doesn't have the toolkit that comes with some of them. You know, like mine came with a toolkit. You know, so we're just kind of. The whole point of this is to see, can we get something this small registered in Wisconsin? Because I don't know yet. Nobody's done it yet. And even the company says, we send you all the paperwork to do it, but we don't know. Because they can't guarantee it, because they don't know. They just don't know. They can't market it as street legal, although it's got, you know, what
This
does...
is easier to put together than the 250.
Maybe. We still don't have
It
brakes
is, because
hooked up yet.
we had 3 people and it took us longer.
Well, we'd never done it before either, but I mean, we don't really know what the hell we're doing on this one either. Where'd my keys? There's my keys. Does it have power?
It was really easier.
It has no power.
That one we had to put on both fucking tires.
Did we? I don't remember.
We had to put on all the lights and everything.
How does the seat come off? There's a bolt here. I'm gonna pull that bolt and see. That looks like it's probably a 13.
Yeah, I have to take way more on that one.
Why the fuck did I say that looked like a 15? No, I'm looking on the wrong bolt. Yeah, it is a 13. I'm like, why the hell did I say it was a 13? It's not even close. I just went to the wrong bolt. So, we're gonna find out. Yeah. That'll take the seat off or not. It's too long for this one. I don't have a deep well 13. Oh, but I have it right. Metric wrench said 13 in here. Alright, so we have a wrench set. Yeah, it's not connected, dude. I can see right here it's not connected. But how is this? Oh, fuck yeah, dude. Let's put this shit back together real quick before I forget. Well, it's not. Oh, man. It's one of these designs, huh? Oh, I don't like that.
This one there.
Yeah. Yeah. It goes in through the side. So we're gonna have to pull the battery out, connect it, and put the battery in.
Yep.
Fuck, I'm gonna get that out of there. Oh my god, look at that. That doesn't look attached at all. does that turn? That doesn't look like it's... Oh, that's why that bolt is like that. That was dumb.
What?
This bolt right here sticks out, and I didn't think about why. I thought it was just loose, but it's a bolt that notches right here. Notch that in, notch that down, and then that shoved through there. Which is not convenient, but I'll put like a wing net on here so I can change it on the trail if I need to, if I'm on the trail.
You gonna ride this one?
Maybe.
Look at the height though. I mean, it is a higher seat height than mine. I mean, not that it's... We're asking, or we're answering the questions that nobody has asked. Those will be future videos. Nothing's really tightened up yet. We're just kind of assembling all your chicken things. Your chicken shakers.
I got them back there on the seat.
Yeah. How are you mentioning them? We still don't have a brake hooked up yet. We still don't have the oil change. We still don't have any gas.
What else is missing in the plug?
Oh man. That's good enough. I'm not worried about it being super tight. I don't think the seat's gonna go flying off on me, you know?
I'd make sure your tire bolts are tight.
Well, I don't have a brake hooked up yet either. So put the little vent thingy right here. It's not at all done. It's just so close to done. It's so close. We'll throw a little bit of fucking gas down it. Suppose we'll stop there for now. But do we have the gas lines hooked up, or are we just pouring it on the ground?
You know, I was making sure of that.
Seems good. Unlike the other one, which we'll do.
Where's the cap?
Well, that fucking, unlike the other one, you can lose the cap to this one, okay? Probably over. It's over. Okay. I'm gonna do a comparison to the two. They're not comparable really at all. So I'm going to do two things. So I'm gonna start it, see how well it starts. Let it run just a second, and then we're gonna pull that oil out of there.
You're gonna attach the brakes.